Is your Samsung TV not responding to the remote or buttons? You're not alone. This is a common issue, especially in models manufactured between 2020 and 2023. Several factors can cause this unresponsiveness. Let's examine the three main categories of problems that can affect your Samsung TV. Power supply issues include insufficient power delivery to the main board and capacitor degradation in the power supply unit. These components are critical for stable TV operation. Software and firmware conflicts occur when system files become corrupted or automatic updates fail. This can cause the TV's operating system to freeze or become unresponsive. Hardware malfunctions include blocked or failed IR sensors that prevent remote control signals from reaching the TV, and main board communication errors that disrupt normal operation. Recent trends show that increased smart feature integration and IoT connectivity can also overwhelm the system. Modern Samsung TVs have more processing demands than ever before. Understanding these causes helps you target the right solutions. In the next section, we'll show you the specific steps to diagnose and fix these issues. Before diving into advanced troubleshooting, manual reset and power cycle procedures are your most effective first steps. These simple techniques resolve approximately 67% of Samsung TV unresponsiveness cases. Method 1 is the soft reset or power cycle. This procedure clears temporary system glitches and resets the TV's internal state. Step 1. Unplug your Samsung TV completely from the power outlet. This cuts all electrical connection to the device. Step 2. Wait a full 60 seconds. This waiting period allows the internal capacitors to fully discharge, clearing any residual electrical charge that might be causing issues. Step 3. While the TV remains unplugged, press and hold the physical power button on the TV itself for 30 seconds. This drains any remaining power from the system. Step 4. Reconnect the power cable and test if your TV responds normally. This completes the soft reset procedure. If the soft reset doesn't resolve the issue, we move to Method 2, the hard reset, using the physical reset button. Method 2 uses the physical reset button for a hard reset. This is more aggressive than the soft reset and can resolve deeper system issues. First, locate the reset button. It's usually a small, recessed button near the power port on your Samsung TV. You may need a paperclip or similar tool to press it. While the TV is powered on, press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. This forces a complete system restart. The TV will restart automatically. You'll see the Samsung logo appear as the system reboots with fresh settings. Industry data shows these manual reset procedures resolve approximately 67% of Samsung TV unresponsiveness cases, making them highly effective first-line solutions. If both manual reset methods fail to restore responsiveness, the issue may require advanced troubleshooting or professional repair services. These procedures have given your TV the best chance for a simple recovery.